Hello and welcome to CS50 Python Final Project. In this project, I am creating an IP calculator which takes an input from the user, his or her device IP, and this program will help the user to calculate the subnet, the VLAN, the network name, the gateway, the subnet mask in which his or her IP belongs to. I am utilizing a class called CS50 network and various instance methods for my program. As you can see, I have a function to write the network details to a CSV file. I also have a function to print the network details to a table. So let's test it out in live action. Initially, the program will ask for an IP. I will make it simple and I will enter 10.10.0.1. And the program will list all the details of that IP the user entered. As you can see from here, it will list the subnet, the gateway, the mask, the VLAN, the network name. Let's try another one, 10.0.0.2. And this one belongs to VLAN 10 and the network name is the office. Now I will try to force quit the program by Control C on the keyboard, and as a result, it will print a nice table with the data collected from the CSV file. I also have test functions to test my program. So let's run PyTest to see if everything passes. And yes, everything passes. That's all I have for this video. Thanks for watching.